Hi everybody, welcome to my STEM-Tastic orchard this is my STEM-Tastic orchard. So, how will we design a strawberry orchard? Let's think. So we have to follow these 5 steps. It's called the engineering design process. So first, you have to ask, what are the problems? And then you can brainstorm some ideas and choose the best idea which you think. You can plan, so you draw a diagram and gather the needed materials. So now you have to create it, so you have to follow the plan and test it out. Now you have to improve it. Discuss what can work better. Like if you can tweak it more, you can tweak it to some things, you can change it a bit. So and you can and repeat 1 to 5 to make changes. So can we design a strawberry orchard like that or other way? So our idea is to create a cool urban orchard where we can grow some yummy delicious strawberries using STEM and lots of creativity. So let's brainstorm ideas. So choosing strawberry. Who does not love strawberry? They're sweet, they're fun, they're juicy, and they're fun to grow. So where should we grow it? Let's use the sunny corner of our balcony for our orchard. So we have to think about the soil science. So so what types of soil do we need, and why do the plants need nutrition to grow? So we have to learn about the plant's life cycle also. So how will the strawberries grow from seeds to yummy strawberries? And we have to explore how sunlight, water, and air help plants grow. So in technology, what should we do? So we have to think about how to use special sensors to check if our plants need water, or if they're getting enough sunlight. So we have to create one app so that we can check our strawberries. How are their plants doing? How are they enough? Are they getting enough sunlight? That is it. So we have to set up the orchard also. So we are choosing a vertical orchard. So there are multicolored vertical planters, and we'll fill them with soil. So we have to plant the seeds. We'll carefully plant them, the strawberry seeds, and give them some water. So now, what will we do in technology? So we have to build technology also. So we have to use some DIY sensors. So initially, initially, we can use our own sensors, like straws. You can use cotton balls, like how wet it is, and wires, just like little scientists. So you have to make the mobile app. You have to draw the app. You have to add the buttons. You have to check for temperature, watering, pest control, and plant health, of course. So now we have to monitor them and care for our strawberry plants. Otherwise they won't grow. So we have to observe sensor observations. So every day we'll check our sensors through our app to know if our plants need water or if they're happy in the sun. Because we have our own app, we can check it always. We can check it wherever we are, so we can watering them. So we'll use our app to set up some watering schedule, so that our plants are never thirsty. So and we have to monitor the pests so that they won't eat our strawberries. Now let's celebrate our success with a huge strawberry party, enjoying our yummy strawberries. So this is the drawing which I created. So it's for the GDO STEM Girls Challenge 2, made by Saachi. So so they will. So its features are moisture. Sensors are the moisture, temperature, LED So if the sun does not come, we can on a LED so that they will also still be there, getting enough light. So humidity and water. So we'll also use it camera and pest monitoring. And there's automatic, it'll water the plants automatically based on this. If the soil is thirsty, then it'll give it lots of water. If it's medium, then we can give it little bit of water. And if it's full of water, then no need to give. And also based on the moisture sensor data. So there's a mobile app. We can control our strawberry field anywhere and everywhere, whether we're at home, whether we're somewhere else, we can control it anywhere. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Bye. And the strawberries. Say your bye in the strawberry pie. Bye.